Hi guys, time to say goodbye to the Meccano Meccaspider. I think I've done everything I want to do to it, so I'm going to return it to its natural state and take it back to a charity shop. So, we don't need the GoPro on there. This is one of the beauties of blue tack, that you can put stuff on temporarily and remove it with no trace. Down here, that was the extension lead I put on there so I could run my radio control gear off the existing battery. You might remember that the existing battery, I did some 3D printing so that I could run it off AA nickel metal hydride batteries. So that's what we've got in here. Ordinary AA nickel metal hydride in sleeves to take the position of the original size C batteries. I might put the 3D printed sleeves in a little bag to go with it, because somebody else might want to use AA batteries instead of the size C batteries. I still have the original batteries that were in it. They're a bit run down, but they do still work. March 2027. And they're probably relatively new ones. And they are expensive when you need 5 of them, because you'll never buy them in a pack of 5. They'll either be in pairs or something like a pack of 10 or something. So you're always going to have an odd number left over. But yeah, we'll put that back to the original batteries. So at least in the charity shop they can switch it on and it will make noises. It won't do the full operation, I expect. They're not fully charged. Right, radio control gear. Again, blue tack. This was my adapter that I 3D printed so that we could plug these bits in without having to modify them. So that's a 3D printed frame, copper wire, thick copper wire for the pins, soldered onto JST leads or JST connectors so that I can use my 3 ESCs and hobby grade receiver, Flysky in this case. So those can all go back into my stock. These are fairly easy to work out because they're color coded. So the green goes into the green, the red goes into the red, the white goes into the white, and that one comes around and goes into there. And somewhere is my little 3D printed cover that I've made to replace the one that was missing from there. Right, you're slopping around a bit. Okay, so if we power up, yeah, those batteries will do the job. As I say, I'll probably put these in a little bag to go with it. Although they'll probably get lost, things like that get lost when you put extra things in charity shops. And that bit that I printed and laminated. So yeah, say goodbye, Mr. Spider. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.